Good morning, student. As in the previous classes, we have talked about, we have completed the exercise of chapter number first, food, where does it come from? And today we are going to see the question answers of chapter first, food, where does it come from? So just take your pencil and just mark out the question and answer. So here is our question answer. What first question, answer the following: how does food help? So this answer is given on page number 11 or the first page of this chapter. You can see here it is already ticked. All living food, you have to start like this. All living things need food to grow and to stay alive. Our food help us in many ways, and these 3 points: we get energy from food we eat, food help us to grow and repair worn out tissue, and food help us to stay healthy and protect us from diseases. Okay, I think so you have already completed the exercises. So you have to only write question answers in your copy. You have to only write question answers you have in your copy. You have to not to write exercises in your copy. You will not write exercises in your copy. You will just write only question and answer in your copy. Okay, and this is your first answer, page number 11 or the first page of your book. So you can take from here, and you can see all living things need food to grow, and food help us in many ways. Some of these ways are: we get energy from food, food help us to grow and repair worn out tissue, and food help us to stay healthy and protect us from the diseases. Next, second question: how do green plant make their food? So this answer again on same page, page number 11. So page number 11, food from plant paragraph, here from here. Green plant make their own food in the presence of sunlight, using carbon dioxide from air and water from soil, and that is why they are called producers. This is your answer number second. Till this you have to write your answer number second. Next question, question number third: name two plants for each of the following parts of the plant we eat. So this answer again on page number 11. Okay, so page number 11, just you see, this is your page number 11, है ना? So what is the first they have asked? They have asked about roots. So we eat roots of just you have to give name: sweet potato or beetroot. Next they have asked about stem. So stem we eat of potato and ginger. Just you have to write example 2 of each, है ना. Third, they have asked about leaves, so spinach and cabbage. Fourth, they has asked about flowers, so flower you will write cauliflower and banana. Flower you will write cauliflower and banana. Then they have asked about fruits, so fruits you will name tomato and brinjal. Tomato and brinjal. Next, they have asked about seeds. For seeds you have to write here, from here you can write moong and kidney beans. Got this? Again I am repeating. You have to write just two example from here. For roots, sweet potato and beetroot. For stem, potato and ginger. Leaves, spinach and cabbage. Flower, cauliflower and banana. Fruit, tomato and brinjal. And seed, moong and kidney beans. Next, what is the question? Fourth question, write the names of 5 animal products that we eat as food. So this answer you can see from here. This answer is given on page number 12. Your answer number 4th is given on your page number 12. So, 4th answer is given on page number 12. Just last line you see. This is, we get foods such as meat, egg, honey, milk, cheese, butter and curd from milk. So this is your answer number 4th. Got this? Your answer number 4th is on page number 12, and at the just last line you will write, we get foods such as meat, eggs, honey, milk, cheese, butter and curd from animals. Got this? Now next, answer number 5th, question number 5th. Why is milk considered as nutritious food? Write the names of 3 animals that give us milk. So it is given on page number 13. Page number 13, just you can see from here this milk paragraph. Page 13, this milk paragraph, from the first line itself, we get milk from animals such as cow, buffalo and goat. Milk is a rich source of calcium, vitamin and protein, therefore it is considered as nutritious, healthy food. This is your answer number 5th. That is the question, answer of question number 5th. Why is milk considered as nutritious food? And the names of the animal that give us milk. Next question, question number 6th. What are milk products? List any 5 milk products that we eat. So this answer again on page number 13. Here This is your answer number 6th. Milk is used to make many products. You will cut this other. Okay, you will cut this, or you will not write this other. You will just write milk is used to make you will cut this other. You will cut this other. You will cut this other and you will write as milk is used to make products, many products, which are called dairy products. Some common dairy products are paneer, cheese, ghee and curd. Okay, so you can start like this. Milk is used to make many products. You will omit this other. Milk is used to make many products, which are dairy products. Some common dairy products are paneer, cheese, cream, butter, ghee and curd. Till this your answer number 6. This is your answer number 6. Next, answer number 7th. With the help of example, with the help of example, describe how animals can be grouped according to the food they eat. So this answer is given on your page number 14 and 15. This answer is given on your page number 14 and 15. Okay, so we'll just see here. So it is given on page number 14. You will start like this. Animal eat different types of food. Based on their food they eat, animal can be grouped as. Now first you will put the heading herbivorous. You will put the heading herbivorous and you will write the 2 examples of herbivores. What are the example of herbivores? Cow and buffalo. What are the example of herbivores? Cow and buffalo. Next you will write the second, carnivores. This is carnivores. Examples you will write lion and tiger. Third you will write omnivores. Examples you will write. What are the examples of omnivores? The examples of omnivores are bear and human. Bear and human. Fourth you will write about scavengers, and then the example you will write vulture and jackal. Last you will write fifth, decomposers, and example you will write bacteria and fungi. Example of decomposers you will write bacteria and fungi. Next answers I will give it to you by tomorrow. Okay.